everyone, welcome back to Login Helps. In today's tutorial episode, I'll be helping you learn how to create playlists in Spotify. A playlist is simply a collection of songs you can make your own, share them, and enjoy the millions of other playlists created by Spotify. To learn how, keep watching the video till the end and subscribe to our channel if you have not yet. Press the bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. Start by tapping open Spotify application. Sign into your account if necessary. Once you reach to the home screen of Spotify after you are signed in, from the bottom of the screen, you can see several options there. Tap on your library and under the playlist tab, you can see that there's an option to create your first playlist. Tap on create and give your playlist a name. Once you do that, tap on create. That's your playlist now. You've created a playlist. Now the only thing that's left to do is add some songs onto your playlist. Tap on add songs and there are some suggestions that you can add for your playlist. To add the songs from your suggestions, tap on the plus button and the song will be added to your playlist. Keep adding more songs to your playlist. You can even search for a particular song by tapping on the search button and searching for the song by typing it in. Once you search for a particular song, you can simply tap on the plus button and add the song to your playlist. That is how you can create a playlist for yourself on Spotify. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Feel free to comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll be back soon with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.